In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ChatGPT to plan and build a business or project from idea to execution. We'll walk through a simple, practical workflow you can follow, even if you're starting from scratch. The goal is to use ChatGPT as a creative and strategic assistant, helping you think through your concept, organize your next steps, and keep improving as you go. Start by opening ChatGPT and clearly describing the type of business or project you want to build. Be as specific as you can about your general direction, your interests, or the problem you want to solve. And if your idea is still vague, that's completely fine. You can describe the industry, the kind of customer you want to help, or the type of product you're imagining. The more context you give, the more useful the responses will be. Next, ask ChatGPT to brainstorm business ideas based on that direction. This is a great way to generate options you may not have thought of on your own. You can ask for ideas that are simple, low cost, scalable, creative, or suited to a specific audience. Take your time reviewing the suggestions and look for an idea that feels both realistic and exciting. Once one idea stands out, choose it and ask ChatGPT to validate the target audience. This helps you understand who the product is really for, what problems they have, and why they might care about your solution. This step is important because a good idea becomes much stronger when it's matched with the right audience. After that, ask for features, website structure, or product ideas. Depending on what you're building, this could include key tools, service offerings, core pages for a website, or the most important parts of an app or digital product. This gives your project shape and helps you move from concept to something more concrete. Then use ChatGPT to create copy for landing pages or app screens. This can save a lot of time and help you quickly draft headlines, descriptions, calls to action, and other text you need to present your idea clearly. You can always refine the tone later, but getting a strong first draft makes the process much easier. From there, ask for a step-by-step build plan. This should turn the idea into a practical roadmap, showing you what to do first, what to build next, and how to stay organized as you progress. Now use that plan to start building your website or project. Don't wait for everything to be perfect. Start with the essentials, build momentum, and improve as you go. As you develop it, keep asking ChatGPT to improve your idea. You can use it to refine messaging, rethink features, strengthen your offer, and solve problems along the way. That ongoing feedback can make the entire process faster, clearer, and more focused.